Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to stop OneDrive syncing Windows 10. So, let's dive right in. OneDrive is a cloud storage service built into Windows, but if you don't use it or prefer another service, you can easily disable it. So, let's dive right in. Click the OneDrive icon in the taskbar. It looks like a white cloud. If you don't see it, click the little arrow next to the date and time, and it might be hidden there. Click the gear icon to open OneDrive Settings. Under the Settings tab, you have two options. Click Pause Syncing and choose a duration, like 2 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours. This will stop OneDrive from syncing your files, but keep it running in the background. Click Quit OneDrive to completely shut down the application. A confirmation message will appear. Click Close OneDrive to confirm. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.